Hello students, today we are going to start with our next exercise, exercise 22b, and I am going to take some questions from this. Now we have already done the theoretical part. So have a look at the first question. In the figure given below, it is given that AB is perpendicular to AB, so AB and BD are perpendicular and is of length x meter. So length of AB is already given as x meters. Without using tables, we have to find x. These two angles are given. So here, since this angle is 45, since this angle is 45 means this is an isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. So if this is x, then this will also be x. Then this will also be x, means BC will also be x. And then we can use this triangle to find the value of x, means we will use AB over BD equal to tan 30, and then we can calculate the value of x, and tan 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. Similarly, I am going to take question number 2. I am not solving this question because diagram is already given. I am taking the second question. I will draw the diagram and then solve the things. Now question says we have to find the height of a tree when it is found that on walking away from it 20 meter in a horizontal line through its base, the elevation of its top changes from 60 to 30 degree. So now I am talking about question number 2. The question says, if this is a tree, let us say that this AB is a tree, and if someone moves from a point here to some other point that is 20 meter away from this, then the angle of elevation changes from 60 degrees to 30 degrees. So now I am naming these 2 points as C and D. So now we have to describe the things. So let AB be a tree of height h meter, means I am saying that this is h meters, and on moving 20 meter away from C to D, the elevation changes from 60 degrees to 30 degrees, and as shown in the figure. Now we have to find h. So I am naming this BC as x, and first of all I am using this first triangle. So in triangle ABC, in triangle AB and C, AB over BC is equal to tan 60 degree. I have given as AB as h and BC as x, and that is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. From here I get x is equal to h over root 3. Let us say that this is equation number 1. Now in another triangle, in triangle ABD, means in trigonometry we have to always use the right angled triangle. So in triangle ABD, AB over BD is equal to tan 30 degree. So AB is h and BD is x plus 20, and tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So this implies root 3h equal to x plus 20, and now this implies I am using x is equal to h over root 3. So root 3h minus h over root 3 is equal to 20. From here I am taking h common, so this becomes root 3 minus 1 over root 3 is equal to 20. Now I am taking LCM, so this becomes 3 minus 1 over root 3 equal to 20. So now h is equal to 20 multiply root 3 over 2. So this will get cancelled at 10. So 10 multiply 1.732. So that is equal to 17.32 meter. So therefore height of tree is equal to 17.32 meter, and this is our required answer. Similarly, we can take some more questions from this exercise. So I am taking question number 4, and this is very important part now. Question says, From the top of a lighthouse 100-meter high, the angle of depression of two ships are observed as 48 degrees and 36 degrees respectively. We have to find the distance between the two ships in nearest meter if the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse and then the ships are on the opposite side of the lighthouse. So we have to solve it in two parts. Before moving on to the solution, I will show you one example that is already based on this and already solved also. So I'm moving on to this example number 6 for the explanation of that. So this is also the similar type of question. Here the first part is solved when the ships are on the same side of the cliff. So here the height of the cliff is given as 200 meters and the positions of the ships are given as C and D. And the angle of depressions are given as 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. So here by using trigonometry in this triangle ABC, it is found that BC is also equal to 200. Since this is a 45 degree angle, so these two will be same. So this is also 200. And in another triangle ABD, we can find the value of BD, that will be equal to 200 root 3. So here BC is 200 and BD is 200 root 3 meters. So therefore the distance between the two ships will be equal to BD minus BC. It will be BD minus BC. And similarly, when the two ships are on the opposite side, so same things are there, BD and BC. So here the distances will get added up. So similarly, you can try the question number 4 also. Now, let us take one another question. I am taking question number 9. Ninth question says, a man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is sailing towards the shore to the point immediately beneath him. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degrees. Means the angle is increasing from 30 to 60 as we are moving towards the cliff. Assuming that boat sails at a uniform speed, we have to find how much more time it will take to reach the shore, and we have to find the speed of the boat in meters per second if the height of the cliff is given as 500 meters. So I'm solving question number 9. So let us say that this is the cliff that is equal to 500 meter high, and let us say that this was the position of the boat initially. Means the angle of, it is given as the angle of depression, so angle of depression is given as 30 degree, and since this is 30 degree, then this will also be 30 degrees. And after 3 minutes the boat reaches here and the angle of depression now becomes 60 degrees. So therefore this angle will also be 60 degrees. So let us say that this is A, B, this was initial position and now it is here. So I am not taking the time part here, I am simply saying that let us say that this distance is X and this distance is Y. Now you can describe the things by yourself. Means you can say that AB be the cliff and C be the initial position of the ship that is moving towards the cliff, and the angle of elevation is changing from 30 to 60 degrees. First of all, I will find the relationship between X and Y. So in right angle triangle, ABD, simply I am writing 500 over Y is equal to tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3. So from here I will get Y as 500 over root 3 meters. And similarly, in right triangle ABC, 500 over X plus Y is equal to tan 30 degrees, that is equal to 1 over root 3, and on cross multiplying we will get 500 is equal to X plus Y. So I am putting the values of Y here. So therefore X is equal to 500 root 3 cross multiply, so 500 root 3 minus 500 over root 3. So this will become 1500 minus 500. So 1500 minus 500 over root 3. So X is equal to 1000 over root 3. Now I am saying this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Dividing second by first implies X over Y is equal to 1000 over root 3 over 500 over root 3. So these two will get cancelled and the ratio is 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Now in the question, it is given that the angle of the time taken to change this angle from 30 to 60 degrees is 3 minutes. How much more time it will take to reach the shore? So since x is twice that of y, x is twice as that of y, so the time taken to reach the half of distance, or we can say that y is equal to x over 2. Therefore, time taken to cover half of the distance will be equal to 3 over 2. So that is equal to 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minute. And to find the speed is equal to distance over time, and here the distance is 1000 over root 3 if I am talking about this distance x from C to D. So it will be 1000 over 3 and time is in 3 minutes. So that is equal to 1000 over root 3 multiply 1 over 3, and this will be meter per minute. Meter per minute. So now I am rationalizing this. So this will be equal to 1000 multiply root 3 over 3 multiply 3. So this will be 1000 multiply 1.732 over 3 multiply 3, and in the denominator it was minutes, so I am converting that minute into seconds, so multiply 60. So this will get cancelled with this. So this is equal to 1732 over 3 multiply 3 multiply 6, this much meter per second. And now you can calculate this value and you will get the answer in points. Thank you. Have a nice day.